Next I will demonstrate. You need to ask Smart PBR engine a lazy little trick. First, I add a cube to my scene and also set my map material package back. Then I change the name of my scene, Mesh Cube, to Rock. And I set my suffix, the suffix name I want to search for. I first clear the defined name of the shader assigned to the material. Then, we can create with one click. The principle of this method is because our Smart PBR engine can follow the name of your mesh as long as it matches the name of your map material package. It will automatically grab it and then assign and create the material. Next is the second little trick. I first delete the material. Suppose today I have multiple objects in my scene, but they all use the same rock material. Then what should be done? I first assign it a rock material. Good, it has no problem. But what if I select all and assign again? You will find that only the first one has a material, the others do not. But the names of the others, they are recreated by themselves, but the maps are not assigned to it. At this time we have to use the function of S3. We must define it. These scene objects of mine with the same properties act as subgeobatics based on their names. So I must use the same parent material. So we name the material object is rock. This way we can unify and all share the same material. We select all again, create and then create again. You will find there is still nothing currently. It doesn't matter. You select the first one and create again. You will find an amazing thing. Our material is automatically assigned and pasted again. Those were some quick tips for our Smart PBR engine tool. I hope to share with everyone how convenient this tool is for speeding up your workflow.
I am Tamil, and thanks for watching and for your support.